I'm Dr. Turner, and I'm here to talk to you today about a new technology that we've offered in our office now for a while, which is called pulse wave therapy, and it's used for chronic pain relief. So, I want to just briefly describe exactly what it is so you'll get some ideas about that. And then also want to tell you what it's used for. It's a non invasive treatment using high energy acoustic waves. The primary focus is basically for tissue repair and regeneration, since we're really into regeneration in our office. It's helpful for regenerating connective tissues, muscles, and even joints. And for that reason, it's very useful. So, how does it work? Well, it works by increasing blood flow through micro trauma and inflammation. Well, this might sound counterintuitive, but that micro trauma and inflammation is actually healing because increased blood flow to that area will stimulate collagen production and also cause tissue repair. So the other great thing about it is also helps break down calcifications in the tissues, and then it affects the nerve fibers by helping them to get the pain relief started. So what's it useful for? Well, it's useful for many things, but the most common things we see it used for is plantar fasciitis of the foot. Anybody that's had that knows how difficult it is to treat. Tennis elbow, jumper's knee, shoulder tendonitis, heel spurs. These are all things that can be really useful for this. And then also chronic muscular pain and even sciatica and joint pains. We've had some really great outcomes in our office that I could share with you very briefly. We had a fellow with knee pain that couldn't get out of bed in the mornings. His wife had to help him out of bed to go to the restroom. And so they were considering a knee replacement. And instead, he decided to try the pulse wave therapy. And after a few sessions, he started having some relief, and to the point that his wife no longer had to help him out of bed. And he was eventually able to ride a bicycle and go hiking again. And he avoided knee surgery. Another case is a patient in his mid 40s that came in with back pain, sciatic pain, making it impossible for him to stand up for any length of time without sitting. And after four treatments, he thought he was completely healed, and he wanted to know if he should continue to have the rest of the treatments, which I did recommend for him. But honestly, he got complete relief from this pain issue that he had. Another patient is an older patient that had hip pain. And after one treatment, actually, she was started to say she could already tell a decrease in the pain of her hip. So it is very helpful and can be very beneficial for people instead of having surgery as the only option. So, why would you want to choose the pulse wave therapy? Well, obviously, it's non invasive and it's non surgical, which is also awesome, but it has minimal side effects. So, what would the side effects be? Could they be? Well, you might get a little bit of discomfort at first because we're introducing acute inflammation into an area, and that can be a little bit painful at first, although it be very mildly painful. But that acute inflammation is actually beneficial as that it brings the healing factors with it. You might sometimes get a little bit of swelling in the area as the healing factors come in, or you might even have a little bit of bruising, but it is very minimal. And I haven't seen this very much at all, but we do tell patients about it. Another good reason is the sessions don't last very long. In 15 to 20 minutes, you can be in and out. And the results are actually pretty quick. I mean, we usually recommend 6 sessions, 1 week apart, and many people start having relief right away. So, if you're really interested in trying to find another way to treat chronic pain, give us a call at 304-808-6985 at the office at Integrative Wellness. We're at 139 Conference Center Way in Bridgeport in the Mia Margarita Plaza. And we obviously have a website you can get and check us out there too. It's www.integrativewellnesswv.com. So give us a shout out. Thanks for listening and watching today. Hope this was helpful for you.